Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to invite the testers in TestFlight. Now, if you are a developer and you have developed the app and you want to see the review of it and get the feedbacks from the tester, but you don't know how to invite them on your app, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, if you want to invite the testers on an app beta program, that from the test app, you make sure that you have installed the App Store Connect app on your device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that, you need to open the App Store Connect app and make sure that you are logged in to your account. So you need to log in as the developer account, and after logging to the developer account, you need to click on the option of My Apps and select the app you want to test. Now after selecting the app, you want to navigate to the TestFlight tab, which will be at the very top, and from there you can choose the internal or the external testing, that is according to your choice. So to add the testers, you need to click on the option of add testers under internal testing or external testing, and you need to enter the email address and or upload a CSV file with multiple emails. So after doing the process, you need to click on the option of invite, and the testers will receive an email from Apple with the TestFlight link. So by doing all of it, you may simply invite the testers to your TestFlight app program. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.